back to the kitchen. It is the official beginning of summertime here on the channel. Summertime started Saturday, but today is the official kickoff for us. So we're going to have a lot of fun recipes this summer. Homemade ice cream, cold desserts, grilling out here and there. Just things that our family like to do. So I hope you enjoy these videos. Today we're going to kick it off by making homemade vanilla ice cream. To get started, I'm going to crack 3 eggs in a bowl. I'm going to whisk those up. Really good. Then I'm going to open a can of Eagle Brand. Pour all of that in there. My granddaughter is playing in the background, so that's all where the noise is coming from. Alright, so I'm going to mix all this. Alright, so I've got that mixed. So I'm going to come back and I am going to add two cups of sugar. I am making this for a 4-quart mixer, so or else I would be adding more stuff. So I'm going to mix that up. Now we're about to head over to the freezer. Alright, so before we head to the freezer, I am fixing to fill my canister here with all this rich goodness. Oh yeah, I did add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla as well. Now I'm going to finish it off with some whole milk. Almost to the top, not quite. Then I'm going to give that a quick stir. And blend it all up. Now we're ready to head to the freezer. All right, so now I'm going to put my lid on, set it down inside. The ice cream freezer. Then I'm putting a packet full of ice and rock salt all around it. All right. There is nothing like good homemade ice cream during the summer. Or really any time for that matter. So I'm going to add some rock salt. And keep filling it up, and I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so it's all packed down with salt and ice. And I attach the motor in. We're just to plug it in and start making ice cream. We're gonna let that go until it gets done. All right, so now the machine has shut off. And let's see what this looks like. Those rock salt off. Look at all the vanilla goodness. Wow. Back in a second. And there you go, homemade vanilla ice cream, fresh from the freezer. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.